Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Vidhur, being affected with delight and grief, will then leave that place of sacred pilgrimage. Vidhur was astonished to see the marvelous departure of his brother Dhritarashtra as a liberated yogi, for in his past life he was much attached to materialism. Of course, it was only due to Vidhur that his brother attained the desirable goal of life. Vidhur was therefore glad to learn about it, but he was sorry that he could not make his brother turn into a pure devotee. This was not done by Vidhur because of Dhritarashtra's being inimical to the Pandavas, who were all devotees of the Lord. An offence at the feet of a Vaishnav is more dangerous than an offence at the lotus feet of the Lord. Vidhur was certainly very liberal to bestow mercy upon his brother Dhritarashtra, whose past life was very materialistic. But ultimately the result of such mercy certainly depended on the will of the Supreme Lord in the present life. Therefore Dhritarashtra attained liberation only, and after many such liberated states of life, one can attain to the stage of devotional service. Vidhur was certainly very mortified by the death of his brother and sister-in-law, and the only remedy to mitigate such lamentation was to go out to pilgrimage. Thus Maharaj Yudhishthira had no chance to call back Vidhur, his surviving uncle.